Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm your humble Picaso. Thanks for joining in. And today guys, we have here in front of me my Blue Honor 8X. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing video, I'm going to link that down below in the description section. You can go ahead and check that out. The phone is awesome, the phone's amazing, but of course having a phone like this, glass front, glass back, even with a screen protector, you definitely need to have a case. So I got some cases. So as we see here, another little package from Amazon, my favorite online store, and let's open it up. Now these are the Jaorty, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, PU leatherback case with, of course, card holders. Now I'm not a big fan of carrying cards like on my phone and stuff like that, but yeah, you know what, there's definitely times where it has come in handy. And just to give you a little perspective to how much I really like these, this is the black one, and then we have my other favorite, which is the red one. Now these two I got before. I got this one first, kind of check it out and see how I felt, and then I got the red one after, and I really love these cases. Let's get these out of the plastic and let's get them on the phone so I can show you guys how they look. Ooh, I like this. I like this. So first up we have the tan. Kind of goes hand in hand with the desk here. I like that a lot. Ooh, I like this. I like the look of that. The feel is very nice. It's definitely going to protect your phone in there, and it's just, yeah, it's beautiful. Let's slap the phone in. Simple. Just like that. Now, you don't get much protection from the front, although I do have a tempered glass on the device as well. So, yeah. Interesting. Ooh, I like that. I like how it feels. So we got the buttons, okay? We got buttons, here we go. Power, on and off. Fingerprint sensor cutout. We got the cutouts for our cameras and our flash. Go ahead and unlock the phone. Show you the volume. Volume button's working fine as well. We got the cutouts for our mic up at the top here. The cutouts for our speaker grill. USB charging port, another mic, and 3.5mm headphone jack. One of the reasons why I still love this device, headphone jack is definitely something cool to have. I use it sometimes, you know, just plugging the auxiliary into some speakers I have laying around the office and stuff like that. And yeah, headphone jack, it's cool. Yeah, when I'm traveling I use my Manjas, but my true wireless earbuds. But yeah, let's get to the next case. Woo! I like this one. Navy blue. I like that. That just looks so nice. That looks so nice. Blue's my favorite color, of course, me always being true blue. Yeah, it really looks good, man. It really looks good. All the cutouts. We got all the cutouts here. We got all the cutouts. Buttons, power, everything. Cutouts. Fingerprint sensor, everything. I'll go ahead and slap a card in there to show you how it is as well. So here's a card. So on the red one that I have here, so what I did, so as you can see here, you put it in, there's a limit to it, to how far it can go. On this one, it just wasn't, I didn't feel like it was going farther enough, or far enough. I didn't feel like it was going far enough, and I kept pushing and pushing, and it popped the threading. So now I don't use up there. Yeah, just a little story of how stupid I am. Just giving you guys a little look with the red. It looks very cool, very awesome. I love it. I love the stitching and everything. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. It's cool. Let's jump to the black one. And this was initially the first one that I got that really, yeah, I just really like it. Again, it's the Jaorty. Again, forgive me if I'm butchering that name. Jaorty PU leatherback case with card holder. I'll have the links to this I'll have the links in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. Maybe they make it for your device as well. Yeah, really awesome. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, really appreciate it. Again, links will be down below, and yeah, as always, I'm your humble host Picasso. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.